Alright guys, how you doing? Today I got some reviews for you guys, or opening so far, but we got the SAOCCA hookah by HookahJohn, and we got the hose. I'll go ahead and kind of give you guys an unboxing experience. It's kind of really cool. I got the gold and the black. And sorry for the background noise, I'm doing this outside. I kind of went ahead and opened it up to kind of show it easier, but in this little baggie you get three little balls that go into the perch system. So they're in those three holes. So I have the balls in there. You have to drop them in, and then this is, like you see, it's magnetic, and with an O-ring it pressure fits into this part, and there's a little notch right here to be able to match it perfectly. And then the down stem gets screwed in. It's pretty long. It has a diffuser on the bottom. It does have like a couple of O-rings to hold it in, so it's pretty easy to take out and clean, and then you just pop it right on. So pretty cool. We got a beefy down stem right here, or not down stem, this is the top. Pretty beefy, pretty wide. It does open up from the top, so this part does unscrew, so you can put the tray on. And the tray itself is pretty cool as well. It has these little pyramid things which you can rest your coal on. Well, I'll talk about that later, but it's a pretty big tray. And then I went ahead and got the gold hose as well. So this is called the gnarl hose. It comes with the silicone, the adapter for the hose port, and the beast itself is pretty long. As you can see, it opens up on both ends, so you can unscrew the top and you can unscrew the bottom. So this is pretty beefy, and it has a very good height to it and weight. Very comfortable despite being so big. And then I also got the check, the base. I'll go ahead and assemble all this and set up a hookah session. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. We got the knurl hose, we got the hookah right there. It's hitting pretty good. This thing is giant, as you can see, so it's really hard to hold, but it has a good weight on it. I mean, it kind of grows on you. So now let's go back to the hookah and talk about that a little bit more. Alright, we got the SAOCCA hookah here. This is the little pyramid things I was talking about for the tray. As you can see, it's raised up a little so that if you put your coals on there, they don't go black. We got the check base, and then we got the SAOCCA hookah here. Everything looks good. It's hitting pretty well. The only thing that I would complain about is maybe a little bit longer hose, and that would be it basically. I had a little bit of a hard time with this grommet. It wasn't fitting well, but I think a couple of uses it will kind of break in. It's super, like, I don't know, it's flexible, but it's not going in right now, so we'll give it a couple of tries. And then the purge is pretty cool. So those three balls, as you can see, with a couple of nice, blows, it will clear the base. And then fill it back up. I'm smoking alfalfa mint right now. Pretty good weather out here, so doing just a cool little flavor. So yeah, that's my unboxing and kind of a hands-on with the SAOCCA hookah. It's pretty good. I would definitely recommend it. The only thing is this guy is a monster. Like you can tell, it's super big. Kind of heavy, so be ready to be holding something that has weight to it. You might I use it for a workout as well, but pretty good. Smokes really well. Big clouds. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. So see you guys soon.